Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is blackberry rice pudding. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. And let me tell you, this is luscious. Okay, first thing to do is place the milk, rice, sugar and vanilla extract into a saucepan and put onto the heat. Then bring the mixture up to a simmer, stirring occasionally. And be careful, milk boils over ever so easy, as we nearly had there. Anyway, when it's up to a simmer, turn the heat down and allow it to cook for 10 or 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Next, we take the butter and grease the oven-proof dish well. Any butter that's left over, break into pieces and leave in the bottom of the dish. After the milk has had 15 minutes simmering, remove from the heat and pour into the oven-proof dish. Of course, make sure all the rice goes in too. Next is the turn of the star of the show. Simply add the blackberries to the rice mixture. And you should have something that looks like this. Then it's off to 150 degrees C oven, that's 150 degrees C oven, for 2 hours. And there you have it, blackberry rice pudding. This of course can be served hot or cold, with or without the drizzle of nice double cream. And garnish with a few fresh blackberries if you've got them, and you're in for a right treat. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.